Safety and moving in storm seasons with Best Miami Movers. Understanding weather risks in autumn. Tracking weather alerts, checking hurricane updates, and knowing local emergency rules is the first step to avoiding last-minute complications. Protecting belongings from water damage. Using heavy-duty plastic covers, sealed bins, and moisture-resistant blankets helps protect furniture from water damage. Planning the timing of the move. Stormy conditions can change schedules quickly. Smart moving timing storms planning includes having a backup date or window. As part of Best Miami Movers weather risk planning, I make sure customers understand how we handle weather issues. If storms pose an unsafe condition, we will recommend a reschedule rather than risk damage. We prioritize safety over speed and treat belongings carefully. Get more tips and free moving quote at our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.